Welcome to the MyUnigrad College Student Portal tutorial. To access MyUnigrad, go to the UniGrad College website and click on either Corporate Training, Full-Time Courses or Part-Time Courses. Once you access the next page, click on MyUnigrad. Use your ID number as your login name as well as your password to access the student portal. Once you've accessed the portal, you will see a welcome message which you need to check on a regular basis as the college shares important information with this message. To check which courses or subjects you are registered for, click on your courses and these will be listed. When you click on a subject or a course, it will give you two download options: confirmation of registration, which is a letter that proves that you're registered at the college, and an assessment confirmation. This is what students often refer to as an exam timetable. Looking at this example, you will see that it's a personalized letter with the student's details as well as the subject or course name, and it tells you when they are writing their assessments, when and what time. Should you want to check your results, go back to the main menu of the portal and click on Academic Record. Once again, your subjects or courses will be listed. Click on that and you have two download options. A progress report shows all of your assessment results, such as tests, assignments, etc. And a letter of results will only show your final results. You can also scroll down on this page to see the results as a snapshot. In this case, it shows us exactly how this particular student performed.